Money Academy.
So hear me out. I started doing affiliate marketing for the past couple of months, and I found this cool and easy way to make $500 to $1,000 every day just through my affiliate marketing. And I am so grateful I did this because this was so easy to get started with that I know most beginners can easily do this. This method is absolutely 100% free and accessible to almost every nation in the world. But a quick warning. Remember to stay up until the end of this video because if you do not, then you might not be able to absorb and understand this video. I know this video might be a bit long, but I assure you, every second of this process is worth it. What's up guys? Welcome back to your favorite money-making channel. This is Make Money Hacks, the channel where we teach you how to hack your way to generating easy money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also, smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let me show you the hack to making money. So let us start off with what even is affiliate marketing. So it is basically when you promote a brand's products or services with a specific link that you are given. And if someone sees your link and they click on it and they end up signing up through you, you are gonna make a commission. So in this video, I am basically going to show you how you can promote your affiliate link using Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram for free. So first thing you have to do before anything is actually pick a topic or a niche that you want to promote. So I would personally prefer to pick the finance niche, and that is just because there are so many companies that you can promote and there is just so much money to be made. So once you pick your niche, the next step now is to create an Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok account. Now the next important thing we have to do is create something called a link tree. A link tree is just basically a page where you can put all of your links. So in order to do this, go to linktree.com and create an account. So once you create your account, you should be brought to this page, and sure, it's gonna look empty now because we do not have any links. But once you do get links that you can promote, you are gonna put all of them here. But just for now, what I want you to do is copy your Linktree link and then paste it in your Pinterest and Instagram bio. Unfortunately, you can't put it in your TikTok bio for now just because you have to have 1,000 followers. So obviously, we do not want to keep your Linktree empty. So what we are gonna do now is actually go out there and find companies and or products that you can promote that are gonna give you your own link that you can make commissions from. And just to start off with that and make it really easy for you, I am gonna recommend 2 companies that you can start working with right now. So the first one is Honey, and this is a tool people use as it automatically applies coupon codes to stuff you buy online. So basically, this is gonna help people save money, and you get 500 gold points for anyone that signs up through your link and uses Honey. And for every 1,000 gold points that you collect, that is going to be $10 that you get to receive. So if you want to sign up and start promoting Honey now, you can just head over to joinhoney.com and just create your account. Once you do that, click the 3 lines on the upper right corner, that is the menu, then click on where it says earn gift cards, and then you are gonna be given a specific link that you can use to start promoting. So now, what I want you to do is copy that link and then go to your link tree and just paste it there. If you guys are enjoying this video, take a quick pause and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money hacking videos for you guys. Now, let us get back to the video. Now I just have one last company that I recommend you promote, which is Coinbase. So for Coinbase, if someone signs up with your link and they buy $100 worth of any crypto, you are gonna get a $10 commission, and they are also going to get a $10 commission. So if you want to sign up for this, head on over to Coinbase and then create your account. So once you have created your account, click on settings and then click on share love of crypto, and then basically just copy that link, add it to your link tree, and now you are all done. But of course, there is so many other companies that you can promote. So in order to find other companies that you can promote, you are going to be using impact.com. This website literally has thousands of different companies that you can start promoting. So first things first, click sign in and then click sign up as a partner. Fill out all your information here, then once you have logged in, click on Create Your Public Profile. Now just save it, and it will bring you back to this page. The next thing that you have to do is click on Submit Business Information. For the website, add your link tree and then just fill out the rest of your personal information. Just make sure you validate your email address and sign back into your account. It is gonna take you to this area here, which is just a brand section. But since you did just create your account, you can't get any links from here just yet. You will have to wait about 3 days until your account is approved. So now, just search up what niche you are in and look through those brands. You will see different offers with different paying amounts for each and every project or product. If you see one that is pretty good, click that little heart button, and now it is gonna add it to your favorites. Once the account is approved, you can come back here to the favorite section and then apply to get your affiliate link. So continue this process until you find a couple of companies that you want to promote. Once you actually start making money from promoting these companies, in order for you to actually get the money deposited into your bank account, you will have to click on this downward arrow found in the upper right corner of your screen, just beside your balance reflection, then click on Bank Account. Then it is going to ask you to fill out your banking information, and that is how you are going to start getting paid. Also, if you do want to track how much money you are making every day, you can click on Reports found in the upper middle part of your screen, then Overview, and it is going to show you how much money each brand is making every day. And that basically summarizes how you use impact.com. So now once you have all of your links, you can actually start making money when people click on your links and sign up. But obviously, in order to actually make money, you are going to somehow have to drive traffic to your link tree. And by far the easiest way to drive traffic to your link tree is by using Pinterest. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Pinterest account. If you do not have one, just easily set one up by signing up. And once you do that, just make sure you click on the settings icon found on the upper right corner, then click on account settings, then linked business account, then click create account. If you want to grow fast, there is 3 different types of content that you have to post on Pinterest, and we are gonna start with the first one, which is called an idea pin. So to start, just click on the plus sign, which basically means to add anything, and select idea pin. So if you click on it, it is going to allow you to upload any kind of video. The purpose of uploading these idea pins is that it is actually going to grow your account really fast. Now you are probably wondering, what videos am I actually going to post? So you are going to actually post random viral TikToks on your Pinterest, and obviously, these do not have to be your own. And of course, you are going to credit the owner of the TikTok video. So in order to find these viral videos, what you want to do is go on TikTok and then just search up your niche, which for me, that is finance. Once you do that, you are going to see that there are a ton of viral videos that you can choose from. So if you find some that you like, what I want you to do is just copy the link, and then you are going to go to the website snaptik.app. Now just paste the TikTok there and then download it. The reason you are going to do this is because you want to download the TikTok video without having that watermark. And so now with that video that you have, you can just go ahead and post it in this idea pin section of Pinterest. Now I just want to walk you through how you are actually going to properly post it. So click on create, then click on idea pin, then find the video. Then just click next. Then where it says title, just try to summarize the video in 5 words, then you have to pick a board. And this is just basically a way to categorize your videos. So I am just going to say finance for this category. Then for tags, just put stuff relevant to your topic. For example, I could put finance and how to make money. Now you can just post it, and then in the comments section of the video, just make sure you add the credits for the TikTok owner. So now that summarizes the idea pin, and now we are moving on to the next type of content that you have to post on Pinterest, which is just the pin. Now in the pin section, you can actually post photos and videos. Now you are probably wondering what is the difference between idea pins and pins. So the main difference is, with pins, you can actually add your affiliate link. But with idea pins, you can't add any link. With idea pins, you usually do get more views and followers, but posting both of these will give you the perfect balance, and so what you should do is post one TikTok video every day in the pin section. Now the next thing you can also do with the pin section is actually post photos. So let me show you a picture on Pinterest that is a great example of this, which is a picture that says free $25 stock. Claim now. So I am actually going to show you how you can create a picture just like this one using Canva. So when you first sign into Canva, it should look like this. So click on Create Design and then click on Poster. It is really simple editing here. All you have to do is just add elements and text and adjust your background colors and stuff. You can do this with the options menu found on the left side of the screen, as well as with the options you can find in the bar on top here. So I just created this one. After downloading the image you just edited, you can upload the image in the pin section on Pinterest and make sure you just put a short title, then add a short description that just explains the image in maybe 2 or 3 sentences. Then you can add your affiliate link and that is basically it. Now you just post it, and I am gonna recommend that you make 4 of these photos every week and post them. What I would recommend you do as well is promote a different affiliate link for each photo. So for example, today, you can post a photo that promotes honey, and then tomorrow, you can post a photo that promotes Coinbase or whatever else you want. So as long as you follow all of these steps I mentioned, you are consistent, and your social media continues to grow, you will get people clicking on your links and signing up, which means you are gonna make commissions. At first, it might be really slow and you might not make a lot of money. But I promise you, if you are consistent and you stay patient, it will pay off. And that's it! You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you next time!